Hello everyone. First of all, introducing myself. My name is Rahul Salke. I have completed BCS from Solapur University, and today's date is 6 July 2021. And today's topic is sorting techniques in Java. Then first discuss about the sorting algorithm. Sorting is the process of arranging the element of array so that can be placed in either in ascending or descending order. For example, consider an array A is equal to in bracket A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. The array is called B ascending order element. A is ascending like A1 greater than A2 greater than A3 greater than A4 greater than A5 and so on. Consider in array integer A of size 10 is equal to in bracket 5, 4, 10, 2, 30, 45, 34, 14, 8, 9. They are ascending order B will be us. Then ascending order is then 2, 4, 5, 9, 10, 40, 80, 30, 34, 35, 45. There are the many techniques by using the sorting can be performed in session of this will be discussed about the method in details. Then sorting algorithm. Sorting algorithm are describe the following table in this description. Bubble sort. It is the simplest of the sort method which perform the sorting, the replacing, moving the largest element in highest index of the array. So compare of the compression each element to adjust the element of replace the ascending order. Number of the sorting algorithm, bucket sort, combo sort, continuing sort, heap sort, insertion sort, merge sort, quick sort, radius sort, selection sort, cell sort. There are the number of the algorithm in the sorting techniques. Then first the first bubble sort algorithm, for example, then creating an array. Uh, for example, array of A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10 number of the numbers in this array. For the uh, then that time for loop, then I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length, I plus plus. Then second loop is I is equal to j is equal to I plus 1 and j less than a dot length I plus plus. If a of I greater than a of j, that time swap the uh, variable to swiping the variable. Then the swipe the variable for example int temp int is a temp variable that store in the a of I. A of I is equal to a of j and a of j is equal to a of I. That time the check the two variable then a smaller and greater. That time first element is a second element is a small. That time replace the element in that time. Then number of the element in the sorting this form, that's called it sorting the all elements. Then print the element. That time for loop using for I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length, I plus plus. That time one by one sorting this element in this sorting in this element line by line. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is the sorting algorithm. The number of the sorting algorithm, then bubble sort, bucket sort, uh, continue short, keep short, uh, and insertion short, made short, quick short. Number of the methods in this sorting technique is sorting techniques. Then that's all about the sorting techniques. So thank you so much.